This is the cast ceramic flatback elbow.
These elbows are designed and manufactured for extremely abrasive applications. The key feature of the cast ceramic flatback elbow is that it uses a pipe or tube for the inner core substrate. This lessens the wear caused by the outlet transition, which is no longer needed as the elbow goes from square back to round. The elbow will wear away just as it would in your typical application, but once the metal is worn away, then it is hitting against the much stronger half-inch cast ceramic tile. The flatback elbow will come in half-inch or 1-inch tile. The cast ceramic flatback elbow is better for your heavy industry and larger particle size applications. This includes the cement industry, minerals, aggregates, and some of the more abrasive grain industry. The flatback elbow works by coating the back of a standard elbow that can come in any size, centerline, or degree that you are currently using.
A benefit of using the cast ceramic elbow is getting a longer lifespan out of areas where you have impact wear of a 1/4 inch or larger, or if you have somewhere that's hard to get to, such as way high up in the air or way down low.
This type of elbow is extremely abrasion resistant while also being impact resistant. These properties help to reduce wear and therefore maintenance costs and system downtime. Because they are so durable, cast ceramic flatback elbows can remain in a system for a long time and don't need to be changed frequently.
We would not recommend using this elbow, whereas ceramic back would suffice your needs.
It is more cost effective to look at our other products if you are needing something with not as much abrasion. In typical applications, the cast ceramic flatback elbow will last 30 to 40 times that of the bare elbow you are replacing. For more information, call the experts at Progressive Products.